Hi y'all, I'm Chase. This is my 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special, affectionately known as Wichita, and it's time for another fuel economy update. Let's see. We are at, we're at 91.8, and we are at 1.69, so we're just going to say 1.7. That says 54 miles to the gallon. Oh my god, that's a new high. That's the most I've ever gotten. Oh crap. How did I do that? And I was not nice to it either. It's been hot today. I mean, really hot. Maybe the bike needs to run hotter to get better fuel economy? I don't know. Weird. Just weird. Wow, that's really, really good. What if I add the 2 on there? It's still 53. Let's see. Yeah, that's actually 54 and a quarter. If I do the actually all the way up. Wow, that is insane. We'll just say it was 1.7. We'll say it was 54 even, so. Man, that's so good. That is insanely good. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding link to be notified of any videos I'm coming out with, and bye y'all.